Hello, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to link Google Analytics to your website. So I'm going to be showing you Framer first, but I will be showing you WordPress and I will be showing you a few other platforms. So read the description below to find out if I cover your platform, and if I don't and you're after a specific platform and linking Google Analytics to that, then drop me a comment. So this is my Framer website. It's a bit of a mess, but here we go. And I've actually linked Google Analytics before, so I'm going to show you how you do it. I have Google Analytics here, and I've already created a analytics account, and I have a property within this account. And the first thing you need to do is add a data stream, and this will all be included in your setup of your Google Analytics account and your property. And all you need to do is click web, and then you can put in your URL, add the stream name, and then it will give you all the things you need to link your property. So what you will receive is an ID and a measurement ID. And this measurement ID is exactly what you'll need to put into your Framer settings. And Framer makes it super simple to link Google Analytics. So all you need to do is copy this measurement ID. And on GA4, it will always start with a G and then a dash, and then it will be a combination of letters and numbers. So just hit copy, and then we're going to jump into Framer. We're going to head to our settings, site settings, open the settings. We'll scroll down, and you will find there is a specific block in your settings called Google Analytics, and all you need to do is paste your measurement ID here, hit save, and within 24 hours you'll see data flows coming through. So you'll need to do a bit of testing, visit the site, make sure that it's tracking, but once it is, then you will be able to go to your home of your analytics and you'll be able to see that traffic is being received, and you can see when traffic is live in the last 30 minutes, you can see active users, you can see clicks, and then you can start getting into all the nitty-gritty of how to set up funnels and starting to connect to ads and so on. And that is a whole different video, but all you need to do is create your analytics account, get that tracking ID, jump into Framer settings, go to Google Analytics and paste in the measurement ID. So now that we have this measurement ID, we can kind of use this on other sites, but other sites do things in different ways. So we're going to jump into WordPress. And we are going to be looking at WordPress.org. So WordPress.org is a little bit different. It's free, open source, and there's a few ways to link Google here. So the first thing I like to do on my WordPress site is download a plugin called SiteKit. And what you can do is go to plugins. You can add a new plugin, and you can type in SiteKit. And it will show us that we have this installed already. Here we go. It's already active. But when you jump into SiteKit, it will prompt you to connect your site in a similar way. And actually what you'll need to do is pretty much just log into Google with an API. So the setup will be very self-explanatory. And that's mostly what you need to do. Then you'll be able to track your visitors. You don't even need to go to the analytics dashboard. You'll be able to track it all from SiteKit in WordPress. Next, we are going to look at Webflow. And this is a popular no-code tool. We've done a few tutorials on this. And I have a website here, Victoria's Ultra Awesome site. And I'm going to hit settings. And then we're going to jump into apps and integrations, and under here you have your measurement ID under Google Analytics, and it's the same as Framer. You just paste in your analytics code. So let's go and grab that by heading to settings, data streams, and copy this measurement ID. We can paste it here and hit save, and that will allow the data to flow through. There's also other things you can add like Google Maps, Metapixels, and so on. So again, Webflow makes it just as easy as Framer does. It puts the Google Analytics measurement ID field right at the top of your apps and integration tab. So when it comes to Shopify, what you want to do is head to the search bar at the top, and you want to search apps, and you want to hit on all recommended apps. And then through here, you can also discover more in the App Store. And we are going to type in Google. And you will see here, Google and YouTube is an app that is free to install. So you can install that and then you can open it in your store. And that will allow you to link Google Analytics just through an API. You'll be able to link your store in settings and follow the prompts. There'll be many prompts when you're setting up a new account. You can also link your merchant center, your business profile, and so on. And if you have any trouble with this, again, there's plenty of tutorials out there, but all you need to do is download the Google and YouTube app on Shopify. And those are the main services that you might need to be linking Google Analytics to. If you're looking for more in-depth analytics tutorials, please let us know. We can create some for you. But drop any questions in the comments below. And do not forget to look at our themes on coastalthemes.com. We have so many great themes available and we are growing daily. So check that out and I will see you in the next video. Bye.